Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Batu Belig Street during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Batu Belig Street, also the Batu Belig Beach. Okay, now we are in Batu Belig Street. Actually, in this area is very famous because a lot of hotel and villa. But for the shop, there is not so many. And if you see the weather today, it's very blue sky, it's very beautiful. I mean, it's very sunny. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Because there's a lot of people want to know the update situation in Bali. Okay, you see left side, there is the big hotel there. But this looks very quiet, isn't it? When you see on the sidewalk, it looks empty. It's like normally. Before the pandemic corona, also this area is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk because this area only hotel area, not for shopping. And actually in this area we still have a lot of rice field actually. Now there's tourists on motorbike there too. Look busy, isn't it? That's good. And if you come to the left or to the right, there's a lot of villa inside. So that's why this area also very famous for the tourists. And also Batu Belig Street is very famous because there is a restaurant, and this restaurant we call Noti Nuris. But now Noti Nuris is moved to the Krobokan area. You see the street? It is look busy, isn't it? There is a lot more bike drive around on this road. But the sidewalk is empty, it's normal here. Because around this area there is not so many shops. Oh, look at the driver, it's crazy driver, isn't it? They're driving very fast. You see left and right side? There is a lot Indonesian flag. Because in this month, still in Independent Day for Indonesia. Actually, Batu Belig, this is like the street connecting from Seminyak area until to the Canggu area. So that's why there is a lot of tourists around here also. On the video, I see some tourists walk around, also driving on motorbike. I love to see that. Oh, there is a tourist driving on motorbike. I love to see that. You see the tourist left side on the sidewalk? That's good. If we turn right, tourists go to the Canggu. But I will turn left because I want to see how the situation on Batu Belig Beach. This area there is a lot of hotel actually. Left side and right side there's hotel. But it's so quiet. So we hope together this pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible. So let's pray together for heal the world. And also don't forget to pray for Bali because Bali get like 90% impact from this corona. Okay, now we reach in Batu Belig Beach. Very blue ocean and blue sky. It looks so beautiful. And also in this area there is a lot of hotels. And some hotel there is connecting by the beach. Oh, there's the beach, look very quiet, isn't it? Even hotel in the left side. Let's look quiet. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Batu Belig Street and Batu Belig Beach. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.